Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. You have to start by open Play Store. After that, go to the search at the bottom and then click at the search line at the top. And right here you need to write Galaxy. Then search, and right here you need to install the application what's called Galaxy Wearable. So click install. After that, open this application and let's click start. You need to click allow to add these earbuds to your device. And then right here you need to also click allow, because in the future it will ask you to allow it. So let's now make it. And we did it! In the next video I will show you how to add these earbuds to the application. So if you don't know how, you can check a video at this channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!